We save the bees by transitioning them from a traditional manual hive to a computerized smart hive. Represent a beautiful bridge between nature and modern technology.
From ancient boxes, wood and clay, we gently guide their path today. Through seasons old and countless years, they brave the storms, endured their fears. Now modern hands with thoughtful care build stronger homes for them to share. Steel and wire, crafted bright, protect their world by day and night. Oh, buzzing guardians of the bloom, you chase away the fields of gloom. When nature's song and science meet, a future grows both strong and sweet. The old and new walk side by side, with wisdom as our faithful guide. A silent code, a watchful light, keeps peace safe beneath the sky. The sensor hums its gentle song, recording where they move along. It reads the warmth, the changing air, and warns of dangers hidden there. Algorithms guard the gate, watching every hive and fate, shielding queens and fragile wings, protecting life's most precious things. Ancient knowledge, deeply sown, meets the tools that we have grown. Hands that tended hives before, now join with data's endless store. Not to replace the beekeeper's art, but strengthen every beating heart. Oh, buzzing guardians of the bloom, you chase away the fields of gloom. Where nature's song and science meet, a future grows both strong and sweet. The old and new walk side by side, with wisdom as our faithful guide. A silent code, a watchful eye, keeps peace safe beneath the From wooden hives to digital light, we stand beside them in their flight. For every flower, seed